morning, this is Hiker Dude Dad, and we are in Zion National Park, Utah. We're at the Zion Lodge right now, just got off the shuttle. We are going to do the Emerald Pools Trail today. About a 3-mile hike, about 600 feet of elevation. Look at this place. We got in yesterday and just kind of swam and got to know the amazing Cable Mountain Lodge. Highly recommend a luxury suite there. It is incredible. Everything you need is right there, including a brew pub like 300 feet from our door. You know, that's my style. But today is all about the hike. Yesterday was about relaxing and traveling from Nevada. Today is all about doing some hiking. We're going to do the Emerald Pool Trails here in the morning, and correct me if I'm wrong, the Parus Trail later in the day, I believe. We'll fall up here. I hear water all over here.
There's a waterfall.
Yeah. Water seeping out of the rock here. We're at the first pool. Down here. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. And drift on. Oh yeah. Good, we're gonna get wet. The water seeps out of the rocks here. There's no stream up top, it's just seeping out of rocks all around this rim and into the pool. And then we got green algae down in the pool. That's the name, Emerald Pool. Emerald Pool. The mist coming off of here. Like walking through a cooling tunnel.
Pass through that 5 times today. Oh yeah, I do. You do that. I do. Oh, well, that's not what I said. But thank you. But it worked. I don't remember what pocket I put it in. We're saying it a couple times. We heard and understood. Next time. Right.
Do you believe this is the middle pool? Kind of an infinity pool almost.
Bonjour.
So how does this compare to a hot, humid, buggy Lancaster hike?
It's worse.
What?
It's worse.
So much sand.
This trail is very sandy. We're in the desert, so we've got some awesome gaiters here for our low top kiddos and move it.
Your pace is a little quicker than theirs, so you might just want to slow it up. More chill for you.
I don't know where mine is.
So as you know, I'm from Rocksylvania, but what we don't have is a coating of fine powdery sand over all of our rocks. So that makes this trail a little tougher to do with the slipping and such, but no big deal.
Over there, the bed, if you want to go see that one. Yeah, about 5 more minutes, we're gonna go, okay? Oh my God. You do that thing and then you flip it over.
This is the upper pool. Mile and a half into the trail. Yeah, so we're at the upper pool here, and we've got all these hanging plants coming out of the rock. Roots are embedded in the rock, and right here at the sun line there, you can see where the water is just seeping out of the rocks. So that's what those plants are after. So we're a mile and a half in here. This is the upper pool. It's a shady area up here. There's some hot sunny spots on the trail, but the weather's way better here than it was in Nevada, that's for sure. Time to head back down. Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. So correction, there's a little side trail to Middle Pool, which is back here. So the one with the tadpoles earlier was not Middle, Emerald Pool. It's a little side chute. We're descending from upper, and now we see it. Ooh. Oh, man. This view never gets old. So the water comes from all the way back there, flowing down. A little rapid into this pool. This one's probably on the dry side. Awesome. Yeah, I thought the tadpole pool was a little small, honestly. I was kind of underwhelmed, so glad we kind of stopped in the shade and heard people talking and knew to come over here on this side trail. But it will also bring us down a different way past around the lower pool. So give us a different way down, I believe. I hear my lizard down there again. There's lizards everywhere. There was a deer kind of right outside our room this morning when I went to get coffee. So the middle pool kind of comes here and drains into the lower pool down there. So that was like the first waterfalls that we saw, or draining from middle pool to lower pool. I think I said they were seeps, but no, middle pool is above lower pool. This is an absolutely beautiful trail. Like, the pools come down kind of at the apex of this concave, you know, rock wall. Kind of back in there is where they tumble down, but it's just incredible natural amphitheater.
Right down here.
Headed down, we're right above Zion Lodge. I think we're gonna do walk to one more little overlook here maybe, and then head down and do the Paris Trail. Thanks for watching this Emerald Pools video. There's so much more to come. We are so early in this vacation already. Gonna keep them coming. I'm doing Angel's Landing tomorrow morning. Think about subscribing, and thanks for watching.